Simply by copy-pasting videos, you can start earning income. Take a look about how these guys are making hundreds of dollars every single day from their YouTube channels, and how you could do the same without ever making a video or displaying your face in front of the camera. If you stick around until the end of the video, I'll also show you how to upload these similar videos to another platform like YouTube and optimize your results and get compensated for using it with no cost at all. But first, don't forget to like this video and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy trying to profit online. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you will be notified when I have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. What all these guys are doing to earn thousands of dollars every single day from only ad revenue by itself is that they're posting multiple videos in one of the most popular niches on YouTube, which is arts and crafts. Don't worry, you won't have to film these videos yourself, and you won't have to show your face in front of the camera because I will explain and show you how to copy and paste and expound these niches that gets millions of views per video tutorial, like this one got 15 million views. This one right here got 13 million views. These videos can get so high to make you earn lots of income just from the revenue alone. There's also affiliate marketing. You have combined sales, print on demand, sponsorship agreements, and so on and so forth. But first, let me teach you how to set up the #1 source of revenue and how you can have these types of films in less than 10 minutes by simply copying and pasting without ever filming anything or presenting your face to the camera. Now, because we'll be copying and pasting someone else's videos, I'm going to show you how you can earn profit in various ways. I just want to demonstrate you that YouTube has stated that yes, we can monetize such content even if we copy and paste someone else's videos onto our channel. We'll still be able to earn profit. If you really want to make this thing work and earn money from it, there are a few things you need to know. If you just copy these videos or Creative Commons videos and re-upload them onto your channel, it's not going to work and you won't be able to make money because that's not how it works. Instead, I'm going to show you precisely how to put this up properly. To correctly set this up, you go to YouTube and search for arts. Then go to filters and filter your search by Creative Commons. This isn't the final thing you'll need to do, so pay great attention to the stages that follow, which we'll go over in this video. Once you've chosen Creative Commons, you'll have full permission to re-upload these videos to your channel and monetize your content with Google Ads. However, in order to be approved for monetization and to monetize these videos created by others, you'll need to complete something. Make sure to stick around to know what it is. Once you've found a video you like with Creative Commons license, right-click on it. For example, if I want to use this one, I'll right-click on it, copy its address to copy link address, and then go to Google and type in YouTube to MP4. Then pick one of these completely free online applications to convert the video to MP4 and save it to your PC. Simply paste that link, click Convert MP4, then hit Download. In a few seconds, you'll have a finished video on your computer, which you can now re-upload because it has a Creative Commons license. But in order to monetize that video, you'll need to add something different. You'll need to make that video different. You'll want to add something special to it. And one of the greatest things you can do is either add the voiceover or just add some other images or footage. You don't have to modify the original film. Just add something that will make it different and unique, so that you can truly monetize it and make money from the advertising revenue. One of the finest things you can do is to go to Pexels.com, where you can discover a variety of different free stock images and videos that you can use without giving any acknowledgement to the owner. You can go straight to the videos by clicking here. Choose videos because that's what we're interested in. Then go to the search box and type in whatever your video is about. For example, I'm going to search for arts because my video is about arts and crafts. I may use all of these clips in my video to make it distinct so that YouTube would monetize it and allow me to make money from advertisements. Let's say I like this video. All I have to do is click on it and then click the free download button right here. The more of these clips you add to the Creative Commons video you got from YouTube, and the more of these clips you copy and paste, the better your chances of getting monetized and making more money. It is really straightforward and easy, and it was completely free. All you have to do was find a video you liked and click the free download button. Then go back and find one again and click the download button again. And continue the cycle until you have like 5 or 10 different videos that you like. After you have copied the Creative Commons video and the clips from Pexels.com, you will need to find some free video editing software. Paid video editing software is also available, but I assume you'd like to start for free without spending any money. And you can use some of the most basic online software available by searching for free video editing software on Google, and you'll get a list of different software that you can download with complete instructions on how to use it. Use some of the simplest online software that is accessible. Once you have editing software, you simply need to upload the Creative Commons video and then add the clips you downloaded from Pexels.com above it. Maybe add some transitions and then add the clips. The more of these clips you attach, the better your chances of being monetized. Ensure you do that because if you just copy and paste the Creative Commons video, it won't work and you'll most likely earn nothing. Make sure to include as much of the stock video's pictures as you can, like completely free, and will take you no more than 2 minutes to do so. And it requires no skills or prior expertise. After it is done, just post it to YouTube by logging in to your account, click on select files, and wait for it to upload. You've just copied and pasted a free stock footage from Pexels.com and are now ready to re-upload it to YouTube. If you're unsure how to correctly title your video or which tags to utilize for the best search results, simply go to keywordplanner.net and it will provide you with the greatest keyword suggestions. For example, I'll write arts and crafts because my video is about that, and it'll give me recommendations for how to title it and what tags to use, and it's all completely free. That's going to bring me the best results, so I'm going to copy this term and put it in my video. To start earning money from ads on your videos as these people do, you must first be accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program. To apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you must have 4,000 valid public view hours in the previous 12 months, as well as 1,000 subscribers. Aside from ad revenue, you may also profit from those videos by using a new platform called Rumble, which can be found at rumble.com. This is a platform that rewards you for just uploading videos and paying you based on the number of views the videos receive. There is no partnership system, so you won't have to wait to be authorized or anything. You can just upload a video and get rewarded if it gets views. And all of these individuals are making money from their easy video on rumble.com. All you have to do is sign up. Create a free account to monitor your profits and to upload your video. Click on upload your video right here. You can publish up to 5 videos, and the more you publish, the more income you will make. And the best part is that you don't need subscribers or a large social media following to generate money with Rumble. It's completely free and you can do it even if you're a complete novice because Rumble will advertise your video for you. You can easily re-upload those similar videos that you previously released on YouTube to Rumble. copy and paste them to optimize your results while you're waiting to be accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program. It would not make you earn lots of income because there are a lot of people using Rumble. But it'll still be a good way to earn money. It will take you no more than 10 minutes to set this up. And that's how you can utilize results with those videos that you're just copying and pasting exactly as it's been seen in the video. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks for your undivided attention, and I'll see you in some of my next videos.